mind is scattered and all that productivity you promise yourself have been targeted, and you're wondering, where all that time went? This is something almost all of us have experienced, right?
Good.
But have you ever stop and think about what actually happening inside our brain during those endless conversations? And yes, I am here today to talk about scroll addiction affects our brain. Keep it right? Okay, specifically I will focus on two major effects here. It is a reduced focus span and emotional impact including mood swing. Let's start with the first effect, a reduced focus span, which means that harder for you to stay concentrate on one thing for a longer time. And you will get distracted easily. See that the brain already get distracted. This will lead to less productivity and affects our performance. For example, is reading a chapter, writing a report, or preparing yourself studying for an exam. This happens because social media is designed to be fast and engaging, like fast-paced video with catchy headlines. While this makes it entertaining, it also trains our brains to crave constant stimulation. Think about it again. Can you read a book or study for an hour without touching or just ignoring your phone? Easily say no, right? You might pick it up, I know. In fact, the more we scroll, the more we notice ourselves is harder to concentrate with longer tasks. Additionally, this will impact the careless mistake, like thinking rushes, forgetting, or done poorly. Also, this can impact in student might lose focus quickly while studying, and this will lead to poor academic performance and fail in study. And the consequences can be big, like missing out a scholarship, losing an internship, or other opportunity that could drag you into a long-term impact, which is lost your big dreams and goals in life. So that is how scroll addiction affects our brain and can reduce focus span. Now let's focus on the next major effect. It is emotional impact and mood swing. When we constantly scroll social media, it's become harder for us to control and manage our emotions. Small frustrations start to feel overwhelming. You might find yourself getting annoyed and irritated more easily when waiting for something. For example, is waiting in slow down, stuck in traffic jam, or even just dealing with a minor inconvenience. This it's become harder for us to stay calm and be patient. Why? Because our brain isn't getting the constant stream of stimulation is become used to. On top of that, platform like TikTok also can make us fast in changing mood, because TikTok algorithm is designed to serve a wide range of emotional content within a second of each other. 1 minute you are laughing at that video, next you are watching something sad or even upsetting. Effectively, this endless This emotional roller coaster causes quick mood shift and can lead back to our feeling mentally adjusted without understanding why. So for now, I hope everyone is clear with the effect that might happen to ourselves when we scroll social media for hours. To sum it up, these two major effects is a reduced focus span and emotional impact, including mood swing, might be a bad reason rewiring the way our brain break our work silently. So the next, when you pick up your phone to scroll through social media, remember it's not just your time you are spending, but also your mind you are shaping. That's all for me. Thank you.
Time? 5 minutes 54 seconds.
Laju betul